Oh my goodness, yummo. Hey there everyone, and welcome to another episode of the BOSH Boys blog. I'm out in the countryside, just outside London. We're staying in a hotel, and I thought I'd come and find a nice place to vlog from. I'm looking for a really nice looking clearing. We're in the countryside, so you'd think you'd find one, but everywhere there's just this kind of brush. Okay, so I know what you're all thinking. I'm a city boy and probably don't belong in the countryside. I kind of agree. So I'm gonna head back to the hotel to talk to you about today's video. The topic is 80-20. See that beautiful hay bale back there? That is where I was aiming for, but all I've got is this hotel car park. "80-20 is a principle we like to use to describe how we eat, how we think about food, and how we think about life. The idea is 80% good, and then 20% of the time, maybe on the weekends, you get to chill out a little bit. Act in moderation, have some tasty food, stop stressing about what you eat. Today is a 20% day. We're here in a hotel on the weekend, and you know what, we're working this weekend, so we thought this is definitely a 20% day. Today, we're gonna eat pizza. There's MJ and Ian getting breakfast. Morning. So later on we're gonna have pizza, but first of all, a nice hotel breakfast. There wasn't a lot for me to choose from, to be honest, but I found a few little vegan things, and they have done us some vegan sausages. Woohoo! And of course, a boatload of fruit just to make sure there's some, you know, some good stuff going into my body this morning. Tasty breakfast done. Now we're doing an all weekend NLP course.
Yesterday it was really cute when they were like, who likes learning? And Henry went, me.
You just kept getting me in trouble. You kept whispering and giggling and making up jokes. So we're here in the countryside, in the absolutely gorgeous British countryside, for a NLP course. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming. So it's kind of like brain language programming. So we're here just studying, learning all about it, and just really trying to open our minds to a new way of thinking. We can't really show you inside because it's a bit boring and it's a bit weird. And before I go back inside to do some more NLP, let's just take a moment to appreciate just how gorgeous the British countryside is. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds of amazing countryside B-roll. Check this out. Time for pizza. Yes! Pizza time. Here we are, we're in Pizza Express. So we've come to sample everything on the vegan menu. Here we have a vegan padana with vegan cheese. We've got the caramelized onions and also added some roquito peppers to this bad boy. And here we have the vegan giardiniera, which has got olives, it's got capers, it's got sultanas, which are really nice and sweet. We've got roquito peppers again, and some onions, and of course that mozzarella as well, which is all vegan. MJ is feeling the gluten-free vibes right now, so we've got a gluten-free oven-baked pasta. Let's see how that tastes.
So tonight I'm eating the peperonata, which is a little bit like an arrabbiata, but a bit more peppery and a bit spicier. And the pasta itself is actually made of maize, which means it's gluten-free. And you'll never know the difference. It tastes really, really good. And it's got a bit of greenery on top too.
Super thin pizza, so this is, you know, nicely coloured base. It's got a little bit of colour, but it's not too crispy. It should kind of flop like that. That's about exactly how you want a pizza to be. Gorgeous flavours, oh my goodness. The sweetness of those sultanas is incredible. We've got the gorgeous cheese, which is subtle, creamy, Really tasty, delicious pizza. Ian, man, you need to try this out. This is really good. Let's switch.
Woo! Got to flop it back on itself because it's that thin. It's got a really nice crispiness. It's got really, really good colour to it. It's got the green, the purple, the red, white of the cheese. Let's see how it tastes. It's got that lovely spice from the peppers. It's got the sweetness from the balsamic onions, and it's got really nice freshness from the spinach. I love Pizza Express, man, and this is the reason why.
Night, mate. There we go. Pizza done. That was a lovely day, lovely evening. We did some kind of NLP stuff in the day, ate some tasty pizza, and now we're done. I was talking about 80-20 this morning, and this is the new book, How to Live Vegan. So in here, we've got like the why and the how of going vegan. And in fact, what you'll find is we've kind of given our top tips on health, our 5 golden rules. So the first one is eat the rainbow. Second one, mix up your plate. The third one, eat your greens. The fourth one, 80-20 balance. And the fifth one is get your vitamins in. So today was definitely a 20% day. It was a fun day. It was a cheat day. Because when you're working on the weekend, you want to eat some pizza. But for the rest of the week, we're going to try and eat healthy. We're going to be getting greens in. We're going to be eating salads. That's it for today's episode. Hope you've enjoyed this. Another day hanging out with me and Ian and MJ. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you do want to grab this book, by the way, it's available to pre-order right now. The link is in our bio, in the description, or you can find it on the BOSH.tv website. We'll see you tomorrow.